Hello students, welcome to Absolutely Maths. Today we will be starting exercise 2D of second chapter rational numbers. First question, evaluate first bit 5 by 4 into 3 by 7. हमें इनका क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो हम लिख लेते हैं 5 by 4 into 3 by 7. क्या यहाँ रिडक्शन पॉसिबल है? यहाँ कोई किसी नंबर से नहीं कटेगा, तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 5 3 is 15 by 4 7 is 28. This is our answer. Second bit 2 by 3 into -6 by 7. क्या यहाँ कुछ कटेगा? यस. 3 2 is 6, that is equals to 2 2 is 4. ये नेगेटिव है, so -4 by 7. Our answer is -4 by 7. Third bit -12 by 5 into 10 by -3. पहले तो ये नेगेटिव साइंस कैंसिल आउट हो गए. 5 2 is 10, 3 4 is 12, that is equal to 4 2 is 8. Number 3 का आंसर 8. Bit 4 -45 by 39 into -13 by 15. क्या यहाँ कुछ कटेगा? 13 3s are 39, 15 3s are 45, 3 1s are 3, that is equals to 1, क्योंकि 1 1 जा 1 होता है और माइनस माइनस प्लस. नेक्स्ट 3 whole 1 by 8. इसमें क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 8 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 8 into minus of 2 whole 2 by 5, 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5. तो क्या यहाँ कुछ कटेगा? 5 5 is 25, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, that is equals to 5 3 is 15 और ये माइनस -15 by 2. Bit 6 2 whole 45. Bit 6 2 whole 14 by 25 into -5 by 16. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into 25 50 plus 14 64 by 25 into -5 by 16. क्या यहाँ कुछ कटेगा? 16 4 is 64, 5 5 is 25, that is equals to -4 by 5. Next -8 by 9 into -3 by 16, 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16, that is equal to minus minus plus, so 1 by 3 2s are 6. Our answer is 1 by 6. Next bit 5 by -27 into -9 by 20. पहले तो ये नेगेटिव साइंस कैंसिल आउट हो गए. Then 9 3s are 27, 5 4s are 20, that is equals to 1 by 12. Now question number 2, multiply first bit 3 by 25 and 4 by 5. क्या करना है हमें? 3 by 25 और 4 by 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्या यहाँ कुछ कटेगा? No. 3 4s are 12 by 25 5s are 125. Second bit 1 whole 1 by 8 means 8 1s 8 plus 1, 9 by 8 into 10 whole 2 by 3 means 10 3s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 8 4s are 32, that is equal to 3 4s are 12. Third bit 6 whole 2 by 3 and -3 by 8. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20 by 3 into -3 by 8. 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, that is equal to -5 by 2. Fourth bit -13 by 15 into -25 by 26. 13 2s are 26, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, that is equal to minus minus plus, 1 5 is 5 by 3 2 is 6. So our answer is 5 by 6. Now fifth bit 1 whole 1 by 6 and 18. 1 6 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 6 into 18. 6 3 is 18, that is equal to 7 3 is 21. Now sixth bit 2 whole 1 by 14 and -7. 2 14s are 28 plus 1, 29 by 14 into -7. 7 2s are 14, that is equal to -29 by 2. Seventh bit 5 whole 1 by 8 and -16. 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41 by 8 into -16. 8 2s are 16, that is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, -82. Eighth bit 35 and -18 by 25. 35 into -18 by 25. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, that is equal to 7 into -18 -126 by 5. 6 whole 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 8. 6 3 is 18 plus 2. 20 by 3 into minus 3 by 8. 3 1s are 3. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. That is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now bit 10. 3 whole 3 by 5 and minus 10. इसे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 5s are 15 plus 3. 18 by 5 into minus 10. 5 2s are 10. That is equal to 18 2s are 36 minus 36. Now 11th bit, 27 by 28 and minus 14, which is equal to 27 by 28 into minus 14. 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are 28, 2 2s are 4. That is equal to minus 27 by 2. Next bit, minus 24 into 5 by 16. 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16. That is equal to minus 3 into 5, minus 15 by 2. Now number 3, evaluate first bit. Minus 6 into 5 by 18 minus 4 whole 2 by 9. इसे हम लिख सकते हैं minus 6 into 5 by 18 minus 4 9 is 36 plus 2 38 by 9. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 6 3 is 18 क्योंकि ये रिड्यूस हो रहा है. That is equal to minus 5 by 3 minus plus 38 by 9. That is equal to 3 और 9 का LCM 9 होता है. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15 plus 9 1s are 9, 38 1s are 38. That is equal to minus 15 plus 38, 23 by 9. Next bit, 7 by 8 into 8 by 7 plus minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25. That is equal to 7 by 8 into 8 by 7 plus minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25. ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं. यहाँ नेगेटिव साइंस कैंसल आउट हो गए. 5 5 is 25, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 8 1 is 8, 7 1 is 7. That is equal to 1 plus ऊपर में है 1 into 2, 2 by नीचे 3 into 5, 15. That is equal to 1 और 15 का LCM 15 होता है. 1 15 is 15, 15 1 is 15 plus 15 1 is 15, 2 1 is 2. That is equal to 15 plus 2, 17 by 15. Now third bit, 11 by minus 9 into 21 by 44 plus minus 5 by 9 into 63 by minus 100. That is equal to negative डिनोमिनेटर में उसे न्यूमिनेटर में ले सकते हैं. minus 11 by 9 into 21 by 44 plus minus 5 by 9 into 63 by minus 100. नेगेटिव साइंस कैंसल आउट हो गए. 5 2s are 10, 0, 9 7s are 63, 11 4s are 44, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. That is equal to minus 7 by 3 4s are 12 plus न्यूमिनेटर में है 1 into 7 7 by डिनोमिनेटर में 20. That is equal to 12 और 20 का LCM 60 हो जाएगा. 12 5 is 60 minus 7 5 is 35 plus 23 is 60, 7 3 is 21. That is equal to minus 35 plus 21 minus 14 by 60. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 0. That is equal to minus 7 by 30. So our answer is minus 7 by 30. Now bit 4. Minus 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25 plus 24 by 21 into 7 by 8. इसे हम लिख सकते हैं as given क्वेश्चन में है वैसे ही लिख लेंगे. 5 by 9 into 6 by minus 25 plus 24 by 21 into 7 by 8. ऐसा क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, हमने वैसे ही लिख लिया. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. नेगेटिव साइंस कैंसल आउट हो गए. 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3. That is equal to 2 by 15 plus 1. That is equal to 15 और 1 का LCM 15, 15 1s are 15, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 15 are 15, 15 1s are 15. That is equal to 15 plus 2, 17 by 15. So our answer is 17 by 15. Now fifth bit, minus 35 by 39 into minus 13 by 7 minus 7 by 90 into minus 18 by 14. That is equal to minus 35 by 39 into minus 13 by 7 minus 7 by 90 into minus 18 by 14. इसमें रिड्यूस होगा, यस, 7 5 जा 35, 13 3 जा 39, 18 5 जा 90, 7 2 जा 40, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड ऊपर में 5 है, 5/3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 1/10, दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 और 10 का एलसीएम 30 होता है, 3 10 जा 30, 10 5 जा 50 प्लस 10 3 जा 30, 3 1 जा 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 53/30. Now 6 bit, minus 4/5 into 3/2 plus 9 by minus 5 into 10/3 minus minus 3/2 into minus 1/4. Minus 4/5 into 3/2 plus डिनोमिनेटर का नेगेटिव न्यूमरेटर में ले लेंगे, minus 9/5 into 10/3 minus minus 3/2 into minus 1/4. यही गिवन है. अब जो रिड्यूस है उसे हम रिड्यूस कर लेंगे. 2 2 जा 4, 3 3 जा 9, 5 2 जा 10, और कुछ रिड्यूस नहीं होगा. -2 into 3 -6/5 प्लस माइनस माइनस 3 2 जा 6, माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड दिस माइनस माइनस, 3 1 जा 3, 2 4 जा 8, दैट इज इक्वल टू, अब हमारे पास क्या है, -6/5 -6 -3/8, 5 और 8 का एलसीएम 40, 5 8 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48, माइनस 140 जा 40, 6 into 40 240, माइनस 8 5 जा 40, 5 3 जा 50, दैट इज इक्वल टू -48 -240 -288 -15/40, दैट इज इक्वल टू -288 -15, कितना हो जाएगा, -303/40. This is our answer. Number 4. Find the cost of 3 whole 1/2 meter cloth if 1 meter cloth costs ₹325 whole 1/2. बोला गया है अगर 1 मीटर क्लॉथ कॉस्ट 325 whole 1/2 है तो 3 whole 1/2 मीटर क्लॉथ के कॉस्ट का क्या होगा. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर क्लॉथ, 1 मीटर क्लॉथ का कॉस्ट कितना है, ₹325 whole 1/2, that is equal to rupees 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4 1 5, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 651/2. Therefore, cost of 3 whole 1/2 meter cloth equal to rupees 651/2 into 3 whole 1/2. अगर 1 मीटर का कॉस्ट 651/2 है तो 3 whole 1/2 मीटर का कॉस्ट, ये वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, दैट इज इक्वल टू 651/2 into 3 to the 6 17/2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 7 1 जा 7, 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42, 43 44 45, 4557/2 2 जा 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू, इसे जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो मिड फ्रैक्शन में मिलेगा 1139 whole 1/4. This is our answer. Now question number 5. A bus is moving with a speed of 65 whole 1/2 km per hour. एक बस 65 whole 1/2 km per hour की स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है. How much distance will it cover in 1 whole 1/3 hours? कितना डिस्टेंस वो 1 whole 1/3 hours में चला जाएगा. तो हमें जो गिवन है वो हम लिख लेते हैं. स्पीड ऑफ बस कितना दिया गया है, 65 whole 1/2 km per hour, that is equal to 65 2 जा 130 plus 1 131/2 km per hour. टाइम टेकन, उसे कितना समय लग रहा है उस बस को, 1 whole 1/3 hours, that is equal to 1 3 जा 3 plus 1 4/3 hours. Therefore, हमें फॉर्मूला पता है, डिस्टेंस इक्वल्स स्पीड इनटू टाइम. दैट इज इक्वल टू, स्पीड हमारे पास कितना है 131/2 इनटू टाइम कितना है 4/3, 2 2 जा 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, 262/3, दैट इज इक्वल टू 87 whole 1/3 किलोमीटर. तो हमारा डिस्टेंस क्या हो गया, 87 whole 1/3 kilometer. That's all for this video.